Hey, I'm Todd Gehrke. I am an independent mortgage broker. Now, one of the questions I get a lot is, after being 22 plus years in a retail mortgage setting, why would I go to an independent mortgage broker? I can explain it pretty simply. I have 167 different banks, thrifts, and credit unions that I can go to in order to help you find the cheapest money possible. Now, I have two questions that I ask when I'm preparing your profile to send out to the different banks. Question one, are they going to show up with the money? For 20 plus odd years, I was told that the broker model is unreliable and the banks don't show up with the money on time for closing. And that simply isn't true. And if there is somebody that I have a concern about, I don't use them. Question two then is, how much are you going to charge? And I literally look through these 167 banks, look at your profile, and match it up based upon what's going to work best for you. Now, some people have unique circumstances where I used to work, we would just say, no, can't help you. Now I can find one of those 167 banks that can provide you an option that wasn't available to me before. So when you think about those things, that makes a big difference. Secondly, I came from a retail banking organization that had an office in the Denver Tech Center that was $65,000 a month was their rent. Now, money is really important to me. A big, beautiful office isn't. Look around. I'm sitting in my office right now. My overhead went from being a part of $65,000 a month with massive leases on printers and everything else to $500 a month. And I can sit in an office right here because all I really care about is providing you the least expensive options possible so you can finance your home. And in doing that, I can reduce my margins dramatically, dropping my interest rates between 0.5% and 1% from what the big banks charge, and be able to provide you that same quality, high level, 5-star white glove level of service that I've done in the past. So that's it in a nutshell. I still work to help people retire earlier with more money, and my promise is that I work with people who like to value these different decisions and understand that how you structure a mortgage has a significant impact on your wealth. I can do all of that at a dramatically lower cost than I ever could working in a retail organization. So I'm looking forward to working with you. Just wanted to give you an update on who I am and why this is a great opportunity for you to structure your transaction and save a significant amount of money.